Hello students, I am Vikas Sharma and now we are going to study Business Studies class 12th chapter 3 Business Environment. Business environment are jointly two words, business and environments. Now we are learning here meaning of business environment. Business environment in just take the universe, subtract from it the subset, the represent the organization, and the remainder is environment. Thus, the economical, social, political, and technological and other forces which operate outside a business enterprises are part of its environment. So also the individual consumers of competing enterprises as well as the governments, consumer groups, competitors, courts, media and other institutions working outside an enterprise constitute its environment. Like this, that environment is a word which is extract from this the other activities like the political, courts, media and other institutions working outside and enterprises constitute its environment, because our earth are making with a different kinds of elements. So like that, as a business we can separate it that elements, so this is called the environment. It can be said business environment has the following features. Number first, totally of external forces. Business environment is the sum total of all things external to business firms and as such is aggregative in nature. Specific and general forces. Business environment includes both specific and general forces. Specific forces such as investors, customers, competitors and suppliers, that is the specific forces. Now again we are discussing the one features is totally of external forces. Business environment the sum of total of all things external to business firm as such. Next point, coming into interrelatedness. Interrelatedness means different elements or parts of business environment are closely interrelated. For example, increased life expectancy of people and increased awareness for health care have increased the demand for many health products, services like soft drink, fat free, cooking oil and healthy resorts. Different elements of parts of business environment are closely interconnected. For example, in increasing life expectancy of people and increased awareness for health care and have increased the demand for many health products, service like cooks and enterprises. Next, dynamic nature. Dynamic nature is a nature where the business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technology, improvement, shifts in consumers. In the dynamic nature, business environment is dynamic in that it keeps on changing either terms of technological improvement, shift in consumer preference or equity entry of new competitions in the market. Next, fifth, uncertainty. Business environment is largely uncertain as it very difficult to predict future happening, especially where environment changes are taking place too frequently, as in the case of information technology of fashion industries. It is the quality of business that uncertainty. Business environment is largely uncertain because have the very difficult features. So the next characteristics of the business complexity. Since business environment numerous interrelated dynamic conditions or forces which arise of and consists from different sources, it becomes difficult to comprehend at once what exactly constitutes a given environment. Next, the characteristics of business environment relativity. Business environment is a relative concept since it differs from country to country and even region to region. Political conditions in the USA, for instance, differ from those in China or Pakistan. Similarly, demand for sarees may be fairly high in India, whereas it may be almost non-existent in France. Okay, understand these the quality of business environment. Last characteristics at the giving the example of sarees is the demand of sarees in India mostly much than the other any country. Okay, thank you.
सवेरे देखूं तुझको कितना सुंदर रूप है, शाम सवेरे देखूं तुझको कितना सुंदर रूप है, तेरा साथ है ठंडी छाया बाकी दुनिया धूप है, जब जब भी इसे पुकारूं मैं, जब जब भी इसे पुकारो